Welcome back to Bike Trica, your ultimate destination for all the latest bike news and reviews. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of adventure scooters with the brand new 2026 Honda ADV 160, and trust us, this one's turning heads for all the right reasons. A fresh design for 2026. The 2026 ADV 160 brings in a more aggressive and refined look. With sharper lines, LED lighting all around, and a redesigned front fascia, this scooter feels more premium and ready for adventure. Honda has kept the rugged DNA alive but added more urban style for city riders. Engine and performance. Under the seat, you'll find an upgraded 157 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, four-valve engine that delivers improved performance and efficiency. With enhanced throttle response and Honda's ESP Plus technology, this machine promises a smoother and more responsive ride, whether you're cruising on the highway or dodging traffic in the city. Features and tech. The 2026 ADV 160 now comes with a fully digital instrument cluster, Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, and Smart Key Ignition. There's also a USB charging port, a generous under-seat storage compartment, and improved suspension setup with Showa components, all adding up to a more comfortable and tech-loaded ride. Ride comfort and safety. Honda has also tweaked the ergonomics, offering a better seat height and wider handlebars for stability. The 14-inch front and 13-inch rear wheels, combined with ABS, ensure excellent grip and braking power on rough roads and rainy days. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda ADV 160 is more than just a scooter, it's a statement for riders who want performance, comfort, and style in one rugged package. Whether you're a city commuter or an adventure lover, this model is built to impress. That's all for today's review of the 2026 Honda ADV 160. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Trica for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest two-wheelers. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.